Hello everyone, please welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you my Hummer H2. This is year model 2007 Hummer H2 SUT. I'm going to change the bump stop. Once we're going to change the bump stop, our ride will be smooth. It's very easy to change it. Without wasting any time, let's get started. Once we jacked up the Hummer, it's securely placed the wheel chokes on the back of your rear wheels, and all the safeties are taken, dead jack. Prior to jacking up, we crack it open, all those lug nuts. I have a different tires. So this one has a cover on top of it. So this one takes a different screws, and this one takes a hack 732. And it could be you have it or you don't have it. So once we crack it open, all these, and then also I have my safety lock, which requires a special tool. I'm going to open all these. I'm going to use my drill. So once all the are taken out, I got a big heavy tires. Now we're going to take it out. This is a safety precaution. I'll put it right underneath the Hummer. So once we remove the wheel, and if we look at behind the wheel, this is the bump stop. It's pretty worn out. This is totally gone. We need to remove that bolt. That requires 15 millimeter. This is the nut right here. This one requires 15 millimeter hacks. We're going to move that once it's loosened. So this is the old one. If you see, this one totally gone. It was in the front, it was looking okay, but after inspecting, this one totally gone. So I'm replacing with a new one. And this one has the guide pin that goes inside, and that's the bolt, and this is the 15 millimeter hex nut. So we're going to put that one in. You've seen the bump stop was real ugly on the driver's side. On the passenger side, the bump stop looked good, but I'm going to change it as well. So you've seen this one was bad. Quite frankly, I don't need to remove the wheel. My Hummer is really lifted, and I can go down and I can take the bump stop and I can change it in 5 minutes. Just for the video purposes, I wanted to show it to you. I wanted to share with you how easy you can change it if you want to change yours on H2. It will be H2 Hummer. This is my H2 Hummer SUT. So I'm going to remove that. You need a 15 millimeter, and these are all 15 millimeter. These are all hacks. So once we remove the nut, and the bump stop comes down, and now if we look at, so this is the driver's side. We pulled it out. It's totally gone. And this is the passenger side, as I mentioned. After inspecting, looking good, but I'm going to replace it with the new one. Place the bump stop, and we tighten it, and it's securely tightened, and that's it. That's how it's easy to replace the bump stop on your Hummer H2 SUT. And if this video helped you out in any way, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you, and have a good day. Bye-bye.